Welcome back, friends. Yesterday we have solved some example related to multiplication of fraction by fraction and fraction with the whole number. Okay, we already solved 1 to 4 example in exercise 2.3. Now we will continue exercise 2.3 with example 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so what is the example 5? Saili plants 4 sapling in a row. એટલે એક રો માં 4 plants grow કરે છે. In her garden, the distance between two adjacent sapling is 3 by 4 meter. બે sapling વચ્ચેનું distance શું છે? 3 by 4. Find the distance between first and last sapling. So first of all, we will understand this example with some drawing. So this is first sapling and this is second. In a statement, it is written that distance between two sapling is 3 by 4. So this 3 by 4, બંને વચ્ચેનું distance કેટલું છે? 3 by 4 meter. How many saplings are there? 4. So this is first, second, after that it is third and fourth. આ રીતે રોમાં ગ્રો કર્યા છે. So this distance is 3 by 4. This is also 3 by 4 and this is also 3 by 4. If you want to find distance between first and last, what is the distance? It is addition of all of 3 by 4, 3 by 4 and 3 by 4. Clear? So what we have to do? Add 3 by 4, 3 by 4 and 3 by 4. Or you can write 3 multiply 3 by 4. Because we are adding 3 by 4 3 times. So you can write 3 multiply 3 by 4 meter. Or you can directly add the numbers. So distance between first and last sapling will be 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Or you can write 3 multiply 3 by 4. Clear? So it is 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9. Divide by 4. Denominator ne add karvano nathi. Only you need to add numerator. If the denominator are different, jo અહીંયા બધાનું અલગ અલગ ડિસ્ટન્સ આપ્યું હોત અને ડિનોમિનેટર ડિફરન્ટ થતું હોત તો એલસીએમ લેવો પડે. Okay, but here the denominator are same, so you can directly add the numerator, that is 9 by 4. You can convert it into mixed fraction. 4 to 1 meter. So total distance from first to last sapling is 1 by 4 meter. Clear? Now example 6. Lipika reads a book for 3 by 4 hours. How many times she reads? 3 by 4 hours. Every day. She reads the entire book in a 6 day. રોજ 1 કલાક વાંચે તો કેટલું વાંચે છે? 3 by 4. And how many days she reads? She reads 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? For example, you read maths for 2 or you read science for 2 hours. રોજ તમે સાયન્સ 2 કલાક વાંચો છો તો 6 ડે માં કેટલા અવર્સ વાંચો? 6 multiply 2. Okay, so same we need to perform for fraction. Here she read for 3 by 4 hours and for 6 days. So we can write she read 3 by 4 hours every day. So for 6 days, 6 multiply 3 by 4 hours. Okay. Now convert this into improper fraction, that is 4 ones are 4 plus 3. You can cut the common factor here, 3 twos are and here 2 twos are. So 2 will be cancelled out. 3 twos are and 2 twos are 4. 21 by 2. You can convert this into mixed fraction, that is 2 tens are 20 plus 1 hours. Means in 6 days she will read 1 by 2 hours. Clear? Now example 7. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 3 by 4 liters of petrol? 1 liter petrol માં કેટલું distance cover કરે? 16 km. Okay, and if we are counting for 2 liter માં કેટલું cover કરે? If it is 16 km in 1 liter, તો 2 liter માં 32, same we are multiplying the number with the 16. But here the petrol is given in a fraction form, so we need to multiply 2 3 by 4 with 16. 1 liter petrol में 16 kilometer, so to find into 3 by 4 liter of petrol we need to multiply 2 3 by 4 with 16. Clear? So in 1 liter distance is 16 kilometer. So in 2 3 by 4 liter distance is equal to 2 3 by 4 multiply 16. Now convert this into a profit. 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 4 multiply 16. You can cut the common factor. 4 4s are 16, 11 4s are 44 kilometer. Means in 2 3 by 4 liter of petrol 44 kilometer can cover. Clear? Now next example 8. In that A part, in first, provide the number in a box. Means box ma number lakhwanu છે. Such that 2 by 3 multiply box is equal to 10 by 30. We already saw this kind of example in 6th standard in chapter fraction. Okay? અહીંયા એવો number લખવાનો છે કે answer 10 by 30 આવે. So for that what we have to do? We need to find the number with which we multiply with 2 to get 10. 2 ने कया नंबर साथे मल्टीप्लाई करे तो 10 आवे, that is 5. So in a numerator it must be 5. Now in a denominator, which number is multiplied with 3 to get 30? It is 10. So 5 divide 10. It means 2 5s are 10, 3 10s are 30. So number is 5 by 10. Clear? Now second part is that simplest form of obtained number. What is the number? 5 by 10. जो number મળ્યો છે એનું simplest form. In a simplest form, what we have to do? We need to cut a common factor. Is there any common factor between 5 and 10? Kasu cut thai? Yes. That is 5 by 10. Cut the common factor, so you will get 1 by 2. Now it is possible to cut any factor between 1 and 2? No. So 1 and 2 will be simplest form. 5 by 10 is not simplest form. Why? Because there are common factors. Simplest form એટલે एक पण common factor ना हो a number. That's why simplest form is 5 by 10 is 1 by 2. Clear? B part of that. In that first, provide a number in a box such that 3 by 5 multiplied with number is equal to 24 by 75. It is same as the previous one. We need to find the number that we multiply with 3 to get 24. Which number we multiply with 3 to get 24? It is 8. And which number we will multiply with 5 to get 75? 15. So number is 8 by 15. Second part of the simplest form of the number obtained in a box is blank. Now, what is the number obtained in a box? It is 8 by 15. And simplest form, is there any common factor between 8 and 15? 8 and 15 માં કશું કટ થાય? No. So it is 8 by 15. 8 by 15 is already in a simplest form, so answer is 8 by 15. Till now we have learned the addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction, multiplication of fraction, comparison of fraction. Okay? Now we will learn the division of fraction. But before that we need to learn one term, that is reciprocal. What is reciprocal? Reciprocal means the non-zero numbers whose product with each other is 1. એવા નંબર કે જે તમે બંને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો તો આન્સર શું આવે? 1. બે એવા નંબર કે જે તમે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો ને આન્સર 1 આવે, they are called reciprocal of each other. Clear? So this is very important term in division of fraction. Reciprocal means if the number is 2 by 3, then what is the reciprocal of 2 by 3? It is 3 by 2. Numerator is become denominator and denominator become numerator. When you multiply 2 by 3 and reciprocal of 2 by 3, that is 3 by 2, you will get 1. Means the non-zero number, if you multiply, you will get 1. एवा non-zero number के जे multiply करो तो answer શું આવે? 1. That are called reciprocal. Here 5 by 7, then reciprocal of 5 by 7 7 is 7 by 5. 5 by 7 into 7 by 5. So you can cut the common factor. 5 5 and 7 7. Answer is 1. Clear? Reciprocal is also called multiplicative inverse. So whenever we want to solve the example related to division of fraction, we need to use term reciprocal. Why? Let's solve some example. In that, first we will learn division of whole number by fraction. What is division of whole number by fraction? So first is whole number divided by fraction. Okay. So in division, what we have to do? Convert the division into multiplication. We know how to multiply the fraction, numerator, numerator, denominator, denominator. But if there is a division, then convert the second number into inverse from means write the reciprocal of second number and then multiply. We are converting division into multiplication. Okay. As we learn in integer chapter में આપણે કરતા હતા જ્યારે સબટ્રેક્શન નો એક્ઝામ્પલ હોય તો એને સબટ્રેક્શન ની સાઇન ને ચેન્જ કરવાની એડિશન માં બાય રાઇટિંગ એડિટિવ ઇન્વર્સ ઓફ નેક્સ્ટ નંબર -4 આપ્યું હોય તેમાં શું લખતા હતા +-4. ક્લિયર? સેમ here division will be converted into multiplication by writing reciprocal of next number. So we can write 7. Division become multiplication by writing reciprocal of 2 by 5. Reciprocal of 2 by 5 by changing division into multiplication. So 7 multiply. What is the reciprocal of 2 by 5? It is 5 by 2. Okay, now multiply numerator with numerator. Here 7 is multiplied with 5. So 35 by 2. Convert this into mixed fraction. So it is 2, 17, 1 by. Clear? Same for next example. 6 divide 4 by 5. Division is converted into multiplication by writing the reciprocal of 4 by 5. So we can write 6 multiply reciprocal of 4 by 5. Now reciprocal of 4 by 5 is 5 by 4. So 6 multiply 5 by 4. If there are common factor, then you can cut it. Here 3 2s are 6 and here 2 2s are 4. So you can cut common factor 2. 3 5s are 15. Divide by 2. So you can convert it into mixed fraction. 7 1 by 2. Clear? Same for a third example. 2 multiply. Now instead of writing reciprocal of 4 by 5 every time, you can directly write this 9 by 8. Is there any common factor? Yes, 2 4s are 8. So your answer is 9 by 4. Convert it into mixed fraction. 4 2s are 8. 2 1s are 2 1 by 4. Clear? Now next, division of fraction by whole number. Next part is what? Division of fraction by whole number. So in first example, 5 by 2 is the fraction. Divide with the whole number. So again we need to apply the same concept of reciprocal and division. So here what you have to write? 5 by 2 division converted into multiplication by writing reciprocal of 3. Now what is the reciprocal of 3? It is 1 by 3. So 5 by 3 to multiply 1 by 3. Now 5 is multiplied with 1, that is 5, and 2 is multiplied with 3, that is 6. Clear? Now next one. Here first is mixed fraction is given. So convert it into improper fraction. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8 by 3. Division become multiplication and reciprocal of 5 will be 1 by 5. So you can multiply 8 with 1 8. 3 5s are 15. Is there any common factor between 8 and 5? No. So this will be your answer. Third is convert this 4 2 by 5 into improper fraction. 4 5s are 20 plus 2. 22 by 5. Division become multiplication by writing reciprocal of 3. Always second number no reciprocal find kar, first no reciprocal nathi karwana. So 22 by 5 multiply 1 by 3. It is 22. 5 3s are 15. Okay. In next video we will learn division of fraction by fraction.